Yeah. Give him a caution. Baby, with you, they love me. I think you make it treat me with caution. Let go. Not make me let go. I'm over. Baby, she did me hands over. Hey. So guys, I'm live over YouTube. I'll see you guys over there. The link is in my bio for my YouTube page. From London. As long as you give me the fire, the payment you know they love me. I beg you make you treat me because let go. And the give me let go. And over. Baby, she did give me hands over. All right, first thing, check the news. Entry, go over my YouTube, I thank you. Later on. I don't feel stand alone. I must come and I before I'm the original, the prototype. We don't like it in our budget. Try if you rush me up, try if you push me up, I see. I'm a nice enemy, I'm unbelievable, girl, I be. I be, like I believe. They can say we don't see, we can do, we can do, we can, we can do, we can do, we can, we can. We can, we can, we can, some girls can just be great and it from service everyone reason. Man, I fight to the end, trying to bring that bell. And I say, make it in a light and see a boy I say, I'm out of pain, the fields, I'm on flow, can't tell. What if a friend reach up, they still wish them well? What if a record made, what if a show get shell? And they say, put me in a great spell. Try if you rush me, try if you brush me, I see. And my legs calling me from unbelief, girl, I be. I breathe, I breathe, I breathe. It's just like the air that's a hobby. They try to say we don't see we can do. We can do. We can. We can do. All right. We can do. We can. Morning. We can. We can. We can. We can. All right, guys. Morning, morning, morning. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right. So, guys, I called out a gold trade last night. Actually, it wasn't me, you know. I should not be taking the credit. Ah, Jesus Christ. It's the strategy. You understand? It's the strategy that call out the gold trade. It wasn't me. I don't know why I'm giving myself credit and it's not me. You understand? So last night the strategy called out a gold trade, right? As you can see right there, I did put my long position and it called out a buy, right? So I'm gonna go zoom this out a little bit so you guys can see. I called this out last night about what time? 1 a.m. my time. So right here, it called out a buy, call it out, it push up in a profit, create the red box right there, which is our resistance, come back down. It did call out a sell, but it was not selling, it was a fake sell, that's all. Then it called out back a buy. When was this? Why is it saying 23:30? We need to fix the time up on something here. Because this has show me American time. Anyway, nevertheless, it called out a buy, push all the way up. You understand? Created back at next resistance, come back down, break and close, gone but it business for London session this morning. So as you can see, now it reached one previous resistance and it's pulling back a little. Remember, it's New York session at the moment. So we are gonna get a little bit of, you understand, a rest here and there. So we're looking to re-enter back this trade. We're gonna delete everything off of the chart. So I'm looking to re-enter back this for a buy. We just need a break and close above this area. Hold on a second. Let me see what we're going here. So yeah, we're waiting for a break and close back above this area and then we could get in. Let me see. All right, so we're gonna clean off my chart and then we're gonna go again. So we need a break and close above here. Where am I on the 15 minutes? So I need to be on the 5 minutes. So there you go on the 5 minutes. So that's what we're looking at. So if I go on to my day, right, we have strong buyers in on the day, beautiful break and close for the new day candle above this resistance area. When you see it like this, gone, this gone, gone, this gone. Like anybody wanna buy no gold put on to, make sure to buy gold put on because see everything in a bull run right now. Everything and a mother in a bull run right now. May I tell you? All right, let me see what silver is doing in the meantime. Because usually every time silver move with gold, sometimes they move separate. All right, it's it there. It did call out a go. It did call out a buy too. Call out a buy right there. Gone about it business like a salmon mouth. See there, and it's still a push. All right, so if we get a break and close, and watch out, it hasn't created a red box yet, My God. A long time I don't see silver move like this because silver normally consolidates. It's not a pair that I trade often because it's a little bit slow on the broker that we use. But yeah, it's actually moving right now. So if we get it set up, we can enter it for a buy. You understand? So that's silver right there. Mm-hmm. What's going on here? So, mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, guys, you can get into silver for the buy. So XAG USD for the buy. So XAG USD for the buy. All right. Make sure you check your lot size properly. All right. All right, everybody in, guys. Everybody in. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, that gone boutique business run here, so gone like Sammy Mo. All right, see so XAGUSD for the buy. All right. We that this so. All right, so you put your stop loss underneath this area right here. So the stop loss, guys, is going to be 3828,139. Right? So 3828,139 for the stop loss. So that's silver XAG USD. All right. Everybody in, guys, everybody in. I didn't get the sniper energy, but I'm in. Okay. All right. Thanks, Island Girl. So yes, that's the stop loss, guys. Morning. All right. So that's on silver. Let's see if gold is ready. All right, gold has set up back again. All right, so we just need a break and close above that area. All right, let me see what I'll go with the indices. Oh, Joy 30 is not doing anything wrong here. Hey, NAS 100 shut down. What it business, my dear? All right, we'll go wait. So we're still above our red box, but this candle has not closed off yet. So we're waiting for a second candle. So you see how the buy call out right here? That means that everything is lining up green. You understand? We have the solid green candle, but we need a second candle for confirmation. We have the green EMA, the green trend line, and we have volume, which is green. So like how we're literally above our red box, we need this candle to close above the red box, and that's it. So this is NAS 100 or NAS 100 or US 100 on Apex for those who are trading on Apex. If you don't have a forex broker, guys, send me a message and I will, or you can click the link in my bio on my social media. You can sign up for Apex. They're the only broker me use. Me not use anything else when you, cause some of them broker, yeah, them all over the place. Once them get certain liquidity, them disappear and gone off of the market, and you know see them again. Apex been around from Wapikili, fill up, go, but dead and born again. That's a little truth. So I stick with broker with a little bit of longevity, because I can't bother if you switch this broker every minute. I have your top up via crypto and via this. No, me not no time for that. All right, guys. NAS 100 for the buy. So NAS 100 for the buy, guys. NAS 100. Hey, do you know what me call this out? I was it for last week this year. That can delete. So NAS 100 for the buy. All right, we're in for the money and two for the show. All right. All right, guys. So NAS 100 for the buy. The stop loss is 23031.7. So 23031.7 for the stop loss. So that's NAS 100, guys. All right. Everybody in, everybody in. All right. So US 30. Hey, but US 30, they push up, man. So I want me to call this up. Me call this up from Friday. And it was consolidating the whole day. And then Sunday evening, it finally push up in a profit. So it never hit our stop loss. It literally push back. It literally push up in a profit. And I look for come back down to our entry. So I'm going to delete this. So this not ready yet. So the only thing that's moving so far is NAS and silver. And we wait on gold. Hey, come here, gold almost left it to Jesus. Hold on there. All right, we're still getting a little bit of rejection off of the red box right there. So we need it to set up properly first. Always make sure you wait for the break and close. So for those people who's been asking me, when we learn the strategy from over the VIX side, is from this strategy. You understand? It's from this strategy I learned it from. So whatever me use over forex, I use it me use over VIX side. So this when you're around here, you don't need to mark up any chart, you don't need to do nothing. You just wait until it tell you when to buy or when to sell, but you still have to do your own analysis yourself. So if at any time it tells you to get in for a buy, right? You still have to go to your daytime frame or whatever time frame you're working with, see what's happening on the higher time frame. You say, okay, there's buyers in on the higher time frame, so I'm looking for buys. Drop down to your 5 minutes. If you don't see anything happening, you wait for a setup. Do not rush and get into the market, guys. So last night I was on a one-to-one. Yes, cause me still pay for education. I was on it wasn't a one-to-one, it was more like a psychology group call for trading. I did actually take notes of some of the questions and stuff. So me I could do them for my class, for my psychology class. So it's everything is trading based. And then some of the questions that I could ask them in the class as well. Because I think a lot of people, when they're trading, they're not a lot of people. Most people, they trade with emotions. You understand? So when you guys trade with emotions, you guys tend to close up the losses, and when you're in the wins, you don't hold them. Or some people hold on to the losses and close out the wins as soon as it turn blue. You understand? A lot of people don't know how to hold on to them trades a little bit longer. Yes, you could hit stop loss, but how much trades have you taken from when you get started until now? How much trades you win and how much trades you give back to the market? How much profit you give back to the market? So yeah, people have to look at these things when they're trading. You understand? But I look at some of the message them in the group. I notice that when everybody a win, you not see nobody typing in the group. You not even see them drop screenshots. But as soon as them hit stop loss, oh my account wipe out, oh me lose this money, oh me lose that the money there. But when you did that win, you didn't drop nothing in the chat. You understand? When you were winning, drop say, okay, I'm up this amount, or I'm up that amount, or I'm up, you understand, or I'm done for the day, or whatever. If you have $50 in your account not supposed to be wiped out. You understand? If you're trading fix alone, $50 not supposed to wipe out your account. That means you either put on more than one of the position or your lot size is big. One out of the two. You understand? So when you guys come now and say your account is wiped out, me not see your trade, me not see what lot size you use. So me I work off of what you put on. But even so, me call out 3 trades last night. All three of them never hit stop loss. Right? All three of them never hit stop loss. Actually, I forgot to address the person. All right, 25, 25, 1S, 51S. All right, what else? Mm, 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 mm.
Listen play with National Lottery scratch cards. When were you seeing an aspect in where you realize
All right, guys, you can get into gold for the buy. So gold for the buy, guys, XAU USD. All right. So gold for the buy, guys. All right, I'm gonna put my stop loss underneath this area. All right. All right, guys. So the stop loss for gold is 3361.9. So 3361.9, guys, for gold. So the SL for gold, put the stop loss up here. So hold on. I'm gonna adjust this. Stop loss for gold is 3367.7. I don't want it too far away just in case. You know the market has stay. Trump just get up at it one time and say, yeah, kill now. You understand? And then the market just make one big old drop. So I left the stop loss right there. So all right, guys, everybody in? Me already in a goal, so I'm gonna take the NAS 100 trading about Jesus go look here. All right, everybody in, guys. So goal for the buy. All right, the stop loss is 3367.7. Wasn't like you. I don't know. In there. Oh, wow. All right, guys. So I'll see everybody later on. I'll be back on tomorrow again. I'll go get some food to eat, and then we have our VIC session at 3:30. So 3:30 p.m. that's 9:30 Jamaica time if you're in Jamaica. So I will see you all later on. Remember, once you're in profit, to secure your profit, make sure you move your stop loss in profit. Silver is pushing up nicely. Let me see when Nas are going to do on here. So, hey, Nas gone, but it business to Jesus. Hallelujah. Nas gone, but it business, my dear. All right, so we have those three. Gold, keep an eye out on gold because it might push up back at any time. All right, it's just play around in that little area there. So do keep an eye out on this. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I will see everybody later on.